All right, friends and followers. So here is Scott's radio. I've been going round and round with this thing. I can't really put any more time in this thing today or for a while because it just chomps up time with gremlins that show up. Anyway, the transmit receive has been intermittent. I found some brown wires on the plug in the back on the power plug that were not connected. They were in the pin, but not soldered in very well, and a capacitor. So I fixed those today. It still didn't correct the problem, but I found that if I bash this thing around, like if I, thrash it like this, the transmit would go out. And I think it's simply this function knob here. So check it out. If I go to operate now, I got drive. And if I just wiggle this a bit, see that, how it fades out. So the problem is definitely in the tune switch here. Got to fix that, and this radio is good to go back to Scott. This has been a real bear of a radio, man. All right. I like the radio a lot because it's clean and it works great when it works, but this thing has been a bear to debug. It's been like, I don't want to swear at it, okay? It hasn't been easy, but when it works, it works. Here's the receive all fixed up here for you to watch. That's 40 meters.
Any thought toward equipping people, at least in local areas of the community, with
There's 20 meters.
I guess that's right. There's W0.
So, from a non-operational radio, I brought this thing back to life from dead. So I'm proud of myself for that. But it's taken 3 days. There's 15 meters.
I like it warm. All the house is air conditioned and stuff like that, but I still like it warm over the cold. I don't ski anymore.
I know that guy. He's in New Hampshire. Let's go down to 10 meters and see what is on here, if anything. This thing has CB in it too, so I think one of these is CB. Let's see. I think this is the ham band. That's CB there. Anyway, that's it. So, good radio. Works like a champ. I just got to fix this and we are done. Shoot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.